After understanding the main components of your statement of account, let's understand the most important component, loan transaction details. You can see all your details related to loan under loan transaction details. Loan transaction details include details such as transaction date. The details of your transactions are covered under transaction details. Whether the installment was bounced or clear is visible under status. Under debit and credit, debit stands for the receivable amount, whereas credit stands for the amount that you have to pay. Bounce charges reflect under bounce charges due and paid column, and same is applicable to penal interest. These charges are levied by Bajaj Finance in case you missed on an installment. Penal interest reflects the amount that you are to pay in case of an overdue installment amount. Delay days are calculated based on the delay you make to perform a payment. In the previous scenario, we saw a statement that was from a customer who paid their installment on time. Let us take a look at a scenario to make the understanding of loan transaction details better. In this scenario, during the second installment in the month of July, the installment due was Rs 1900. However, it was bounced, due to which bounce charges of Rs 450 was levied on 2nd of July. This installment was delayed by 7 days, which is visible in the delay column. Delay days are calculated by installment clearance date minus installment due date. In this case, the second installment was received on 9th July while the due date was 2nd July, and hence the delay days is 7 days. Please note that delay days will keep on increasing till the date of receipt of installment payment from the customer. Basis delay days, the penal interest is calculated on daily basis. In this scenario, Rs 13 is levied against a delay in payment by 7 days. Hence, the balance in this scenario is Rs 1900 plus Rs 450 plus Rs 13, which brings the total amount to 2363 rupees.